Good morning, class. Welcome back to the school, the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Today, Irina Raninga is going to take your mathematics subject, chapter 12, that is geometry. Today, we are going to do introduction on geometry. This is the new chapter we are starting, chapter 12. Okay, this is part 1. So, this is from the composite textbook, New Learning Composite Mathematics. Here lesson 12 is for geometry. Let me tell you what is straight line and curved line, children. See, I have taken straight line first. This is called straight line. Okay, when you see these two children, they are holding the skipping rope, right? You know what is skipping rope? Yes, skipping rope they are holding, and they are holding it very tightly so that the rope becomes straight, right? So this is straight line, and the other thing has come, that is curved line. This is called curved line. When these two children, they lose little bit the skipping rope, they come little bit near to each other, the rope shape will become little curve, right? So this is curved line. And what is this, children? This is called line. This is called line. So what is the definition of the line? Let us see. The line is represented as this, right? Both the side arrows. Now why both the side arrows? The arrows at both the ends shows that a line does not stop. It continues without ending, right? It continues without ending to right side also and to left side also. This shows that this is a line until and unless you take one point, right? Line keeps on going and going. Now, the types of straight lines. Types of straight lines. Children, there are three types of straight lines. What are they? First is horizontal line. Second is, okay, let me first explain horizontal line. What is horizontal line? That is sleeping line, right? In pre-log, you used to do sleeping line and standing line. From that, sleeping line is also called horizontal line. Now, what is horizontal line? A horizontal line is that which goes straight across, right? Straight across, that is sleeping line. For example, the lines on your writing paper are example of horizontal lines, right? You write in your study book, you write in your English book, you write in your Hindi book, Gujarati notebook, they are in the sleeping form. So they are horizontal line. You can see I have given a page. This is a page, printed page, and these lines are called horizontal lines, right? Now, second comes vertical line. Now, what is this vertical line? That is standing line, right? Horizontal line means sleeping line and vertical line means standing line. What is this? A vertical line is that which goes straight up and down, from up to down, right? That is called vertical line. You have to remember these, children. For example, the margin line on your notebook is the example of vertical line. Margin line, the red color margin in the maths notebook, where I say you have to put a dot after the margin or before the margin. So that is red color margin. That is called vertical line, standing line, right? Now, here see, I have taken the picture of the margin line. This red color one is margin. So this is vertical line. And the last one, that is slanting line. As the name says, the line goes slant. How you write A, isn't it? So this is the slant line. Now what is this? A slanting line is that which goes straight as the slope of a hill. You have seen a hill. So this is the slope of a hill. This is called slanting line, right? So there are three types of straight lines. First is horizontal line, that is sleeping line. Vertical line, that is standing line, and the third one is standing line here, and third one is slanting line that goes like a slope of a hill. Now come to how to use a ruler. Children, there are two steps to use the ruler. How to use a ruler? Small one, a plastic one, that is called ruler, and the big one is called a scale, right? So children, please make sure that you all use plastic ruler, not the metal one. That is not safe for you, and plastic rulers are easily available in the markets. So please use that ruler. And let us see, there are steps. The first step, what the first step says, that you have to place the ruler on the sheet of a paper where you want to draw the line, right? As whenever you want to draw the line, first of all you have to take that plastic ruler and you have to place on a piece of paper. Now put your pencil on the zero mark of the ruler. Very important. What? That you have to always start drawing the line from 0. There will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. In small ruler you have 15 centils, 15 centimeter. Now what is this centimeter? It's a measurement. We will do in our further chapters, but let me explain in short. See, 0 to 1 there are small lines. Okay, so these from 0 to 1, this is called 1 centimeter. 1 to 2, again 1 centimeter. 3 to 4, 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter in equidistance, right? So there will be 0 also, there will be 1 also. So do not start from 1. Always start from 0. Please make sure that you're drawing the line from 0 onwards. Then you have to use a sharpened pencil. It should not be blunt, okay? It should be pointed one, and very nicely hold the ruler very nicely tightly and then stretch the pencil from the other hand. Correct? Now what is step 2? What you have to do? You have to move your pencil along the edge of the ruler till you have a line as long as you want. As long as you want means you want till 10 centimeter, if you want till 5 centimeter, if you want till 14 centimeter, it's up to you. Or if the question has been asked, or if madam says you have to draw till 11 centimeter, then you have to stretch your pencil from edge of the scale. Edge means this one, this is called the edge, right? Edge of the scale. With one hand you will hold the ruler very tightly, and from the other hand you are going to use a pointed pencil starting from 0 and stretch as much as you want. Correct? Now see, in my picture I have taken 6 centimeter, right? From 0 to 6 you can see, and slowly you are going to remove the scale. To more explain in detail, I have taken this picture. Let us see. This is my scale and this is my pencil, right? I am stretching line. See, I have stretched my line. This is 5 centimeter. I have drawn till 5. So you have to write 5 centimeter, right? Write like this. cm means centimeter. Children, we are going to read this in further chapters, okay? That is measurement. Now, in next picture I have taken scale, and again my pencil is going to draw a big line till 9 centimeter. So what I am going to write here? 9 centimeter. Correct? Please be sure you have to start from 0. Okay? And please put a small dot. When you are starting from 0, you have to put a small dot, not a big one, right? Don't make your work untidy. Very small dot, and we are going to stretch your line till the centimeter you want. See here till 9, and then leave the pencil and remove the scale, and then write down 9 centimeter. Correct? Now next one, closed curves. Now what are these closed curves? There are two types of curves. First one is closed curve. This is closed curve, and this is not closed curved, right? This you can see in Form 1 also we have done the lines which are the curves. This is not called a line, this is curve which is closed, not open from anywhere. But here you can enter. See, this is open one, open curve, right? Closed curve, open curve, closed curve, open curve, isn't it? Now plane shapes or 2D shapes. This also we have done in Form 1, but little more you have to study in Form 2. What is this? Let us see. Plane shapes are also known as 2D shapes, right? If madam says, say any 2D shape, you will tell the plane shapes, right? They are square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval that we are going to study here. Now let us see. I have taken square first. What is this square about? This is a square. It has four corners and four sides. Corners. These are called corners. So can you count how many corners are there? Yes, one, two, three, and four. Right? Four corners are there and it has four sides also. Now what are sides? This one, right? From here to here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has four corners and four sides, right? All its sides are equal. You have to be sure that in square it is always that all the sides are equal. Suppose if I'm drawing a square and I have taken this 5 centimeter from my scale, then this also should be 5 centimeter, this also should be 5 centimeter, and also this one 5 centimeter. Or from the maths textbook you have boxes, right? So if I have taken 5 boxes one side, suppose here 5 boxes, and here also 5 boxes, here also 5, and here also 5, then only it will be known as a square. Now let us see. This is a rectangle. Now what is rectangle saying? This is a rectangle. It has four corners and four sides. It also have four corners like same like square, right? And four sides same way. But what is the only difference? That its opposite sides are equal. Its all sides are not equal. Here in square what was there? All its sides are equal. But in rectangle its opposite sides are equal, right? That means this one and this one equal. This one and this one equal. This both are this both are same and this both are have to be same. Then only it will be rectangle. So understood what is the difference between square and a rectangle? Good. Now come to the next shape, that is triangle. Now what is this triangle? This is a triangle. It has three sides and three corners. See the three sides, three corners, two and three. Three corners and three sides. But in further classes, children, you will study that it is not compulsory that all its sides should be equal, right? It may be different, but it has to be three corners and three sides. Now the next one is oval shape. Now what is this oval? This is an oval shape. It has no corners and no sides. है ना? You can see. Can you see any of the corner pointed area? No. Can you see any lines over here? No. They are curved. So you can't say that it has any sides or corner. So it doesn't have any corners or any sides. Same way, circle also. This is a circle. It has no corners and no sides. But only difference is this is round shape, but this is not round shape, little bit long. Okay, so you have to identify both the pictures. Now come to the next shapes, that is solid shapes or 3D shapes. In the further page, what did we study? That plane shapes and 2D shapes are same. Now this one, solid shapes or 3D shapes. This also we have done in Form 1. So let us be recall first. This is, can you guess? Yes, this is a cube. Now what is cube? A cube is made up of 6 squares, flat faces. You can see square. When you make 6 squares together, you join 6 squares, you will get one cube, right? When 6 squares are put together, you will get one shape that is called cube. It has 8 corners. Can you see 8 corners? When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 this side. When you take an object, when you pick an object, you will find that it has 8 corners and it has 12 straight lines, straight edges. This is called edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. A die is an example of a cube. What is the example of a cube? If you want to see a cube shape, you can see a die. Now what is this die? When you play Ludo game, have you seen? That is numbers up, small points are in that. You can see that is die. Okay. So you can calculate all the corners and straight lines, straight edges on that. Now next is cuboid. This is cuboid. Now what is this cuboid? A cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular flat faces. Same way, it is made up of 6 flat faces, but this is rectangular. When 6 rectangulars are put together, they make a cuboid shapes, right? Again, it has 8 corners and 12 straight edges. Same way like this. 8 corners and 12 straight edges. Only difference is it has rectangular and it is square. A brick is an example of a cuboid. So you can see here in the picture it's coming red color one. It's a corner, right? And then yellow line will come. Yes. So they are edges. Okay, they are edges. You can see. Yes. Okay. Now come to the next shape. This is cylinder, right? This shape is called cylinder. A cylinder has two flat faces. Can you see this one and this one? Two flat faces and one curved face. And one curved. See, this one is curved. Huh? So this one is curved. It has two curved edges and no corners. One edge and second edge down. Right? So it has two curved edges and no corner. It doesn't have any corners. See, a tube light is an example of a cylinder. When you see carefully this picture, you will come to know that a cylinder has two flat faces. You can see one here and one down. See, when it will be opening, see one this one and the other one is this one. And this is the curved one. So it has one curved face. It has two curved edges. See, one and two black color lines. Yes. And no corner. So a tube light is an example of a cylinder. Come to the next one. Next one is cone. A cone has one flat face. So this is one flat face below, down one. One flat face and one curved face. See, this is rotating. One curved face. It has one curved edge. This is edge, the corner wala. One curved edge and one corner. See, one corner it has. And ice cream is an example of a cone. Okay, when you see a ice cream cone, you will be understanding that it is the example of a cone. Now the last one is sphere. So can you see? A sphere has one curved face, whole one. Rotating na whole one curved face. It has no edge. Can you see any of the edge? No edge and no corner. So when you see a football and a cricket ball, you will come to know that this is the example of a sphere. Any type of balls, they are sphere. Right? Now, this is a small kind of I have put some objects that will help you to know the things, what these type things are known as, which shape they have. Cone. So cone, circle base, they are type of circle base, a point it has and curve to connect. So you can see ice cream is the example of cone, birthday cap, this is a traffic light one which you see on the road. Then cube, here cube has children vertices means corners. Okay, vertices, corners are also known as vertices. So these are the example of cube, the blocks which you play, cylinder which has a bucket over here, a glass, you can see a can, right? A sphere, now sphere is the example here, football, balloon, cricket ball, tennis ball. Then this is cuboid. Then cuboid may be books or your butter, this one's butter, matchbox, right? So this is all today you have to learn in this chapter. I hope you'll understand. You read the chapter thoroughly, then you will understand. This is what I wanted to tell you all today. Thank you and have a good day, children.